Jolene Macintyre is a popular Canadian content creator, social media personality, and YouTuber. She is known for her channel, which focuses on beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Her content includes makeup tutorials, product reviews, and travel vlogs. With her increasing popularity on social media, many people are curious about Jolene Macintyre's net worth and investments. In this article, we will explore Jolene Macintyre's net worth, sources of income, and investments. Early life and career. Jolene Macintyre was born on May 26, 1994, in Calgary, Canada. She grew up in a family of four, with her parents and her younger sister. Jolene completed her high school education in Canada and later attended the University of Calgary, where she earned a degree in business administration. After completing her studies, Jolene started working as a marketing coordinator for a local company. However, she was always interested in beauty and fashion and started her YouTube channel in 2015 as a hobby. Her channel gained popularity, and she decided to turn her passion into a full-time career in 2017. Jolene Macintyre's net worth is estimated to be around $1 million. The majority of her income comes from her YouTube channel and social media platforms. She has over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 200,000 followers on Instagram. Her content includes sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and brand collaborations. In addition, Jolene also has her own merchandise, which includes t-shirts, hats, and phone cases. Sources of income. Jolene Macintyre's YouTube channel is one of her primary sources of income. She started her channel in 2015 and has over 500,000 subscribers. Her channel features makeup tutorials, product reviews, and travel vlogs. She monetizes her channel through advertising revenue, sponsored content, and brand deals. According to Social Blade, Jolene's channel earns an estimated $1,000 to $16,000 per month. Jolene Macintyre also earns a significant income from her Instagram account. She has over 200,000 followers on the platform and promotes sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and brand collaborations. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, Jolene can earn between $2,000 to $3,000 per sponsored post. Merchandise. Jolene Macintyre has her own merchandise line, which includes t-shirts, hats, and phone cases. She promotes her merchandise through her social media platforms and her YouTube channel. The prices of her merchandise range from $15 to $30. Jolene Macintyre has not disclosed any specific investments that she has made. However, given her success as a content creator and social media influencer, it is likely that she has invested in stocks, real estate, or other businesses. As a young entrepreneur, it is essential to manage finances wisely and invest in different sources of income to maintain financial stability. Conclusion. Jolene Macintyre is a successful content creator and social media influencer with a growing net worth. Her main source of income comes from her YouTube channel, where she creates content related to beauty, fashion, and travel. She also earns a significant income from her Instagram account and her merchandise line. While she has not disclosed any specific investments, it is likely that she has invested in stocks, real estate, or other businesses. With her continued success in the beauty and lifestyle industry, Jolene Macintyre's net worth is expected to grow in the future.